In Creo 8.0, the Fillet Weld dashboard has been updated. A new dimensioning scheme group has been created for fillet welds. It improves the usability of the welding application by providing a more intuitive user interface to define the desired weld feature. The dimensioning scheme for butt welds now has icons or images where previously was only text. All of the Creo weld dashboards have more labels to increase the ease of use of the respective weld feature. You'll find new labels on all respective controls. Also, we have moved intermittent welds to a slide-out panel to reduce the clutter in the dashboard. And lastly, you'll find improved images in the weld preferences for all welds. The updated dashboard in Creo Weld now has a much clearer workflow in Creo 8.0.